Hi guys, nandito ako sa kung saan kami titira pagka papunta na tayo sa langit. So pwede ako dito. Ito yung mga sa kanila, Leader Robert, saka yung pamilya niya. So ako, dahil pagka yan ako yung tipo pagka nag-incubate ako. So mayroon akong space dito. Wait, you're only 2 years apart. She's 1957. You're 3 years up.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 3, so I don't know.
Yeah, so she's 68 and you're only 65.
5. It's 3 years because it was December and January. She was born in January. I was born in
So
December.
weird guys, diba? Na nilagyan na nila yung pangalan nila dyan. Kasi ano nila yan, binili na nila lahat yan. Tapos doon pa oh. At yun naman, so peaceful here. My baby?
Huh?
It's so peaceful here. I love
Yeah.
you. It's my baby.